But when the pandemic started and the restaurants closed, they were inundated with lots of extra produce that was not expired. It was definitely people worthy.
Found this on Facebook for a single mom group. Definitely a struggle, trying to work, trying to homeschool the 5-year-old.
The pandemic definitely kicked off this having people stop at the farm. We've become like a little bit of a hub. Other networks as well. We did a clothing drive, food multiple times.
Hold on 1 minute, okay? I am a mom of 2, and the pandemic has definitely been interesting. It's been interesting to see the change in the grocery stores especially. This is actually super helpful for us, just convenience-wise, to get food.
Have a good day.
And then also not to have to take our kids into the grocery store. It makes a huge difference to just have them in the car and pick up and go.
I'm not in this alone. That's for sure. The struggle and the unknown, people trying to make ends meet right now.
It means a lot to us to take care of the community. And, you know, they come and take care of us during our Halloween season, so, you know, we're just giving back.